friends back.
We didn't eat you for Christmas. You're lucky.
You didn't get eaten for Christmas, you're lucky. Alright, what do you want for breakfast?
Are you getting Chandelle's medicine ready?
Eyes better.
Eyes a lot better. You're on the recovery. Oops, you're trying to get that. Let's move this. Yes, don't touch that. Let's have a look.
Strawberry, huh?
Let's. Oh, she likes strawberry. Oh, that was terrible. The other one, wasn't it? Let's have a look. Eyes better. It's a sty, isn't it? His tie is going down as well with the eye. Yeah, I can't. I was going to say the sty doesn't go down that quick. Sty takes about a week, so that was a heavy infection.
I think it's a little sty that got infected.
Yummy? Okay. She's done. Let's warm this up, eh?
Some eggs.
Yeah. Steak. What are those? Egg steak and some pasta. You'll have to get down from there. What are those kids up to? Playing games? Alright. Oh, we're not ready to eat yet. You have to wait. I better go and warm it up. Let's warm it up.
Shayla's found a present for Azzy.
Alright, let's go pick it up, shall we?
Thank you guys. I'll cook you some breakfast.
Hi, Princess. How's the eye? It's very good. Good, nice. Very nice, good. Oh, I gotta go.
Say bye. Say bye. We're getting you a gift. Found you a nice gift.
I found you. You know, I found you a pretty.
Right, I'm gonna cook some eggs and steak, and can you make sure the pasta's warmed up nicely for me, please? Oh, I'm not holding your game up, sorry.
Serving up the food. Chandelle, what are you doing? Your eye's getting better. Liz, playing Mario? Baby, what have you got to say? What? Some stuff on your glasses? Well, you can have babies. Eggs. Where's that parmesan? Got the parmesan and chili flakes. Cooking more eggs. We had to start all over again because someone ran out of livestock.
I didn't want to run.
Thank you.
Who's calling it?
Thank you.
That's good? Did you only get one egg? Yeah? Two? Where's the other one? You ate it already. I got some more eggs here.
That's delicious.
Your favorite?
Yeah, it is mine.
Spinach.
It tastes When you mix
Garlic spinach pasta with an egg on top and parmesan and chili. Yes?
Yes, it makes it taste like carbonara, but not. It doesn't taste like carbonara.
No, I'm gonna quickly cook up some meat now.
So delicious.
Alright, Orison wants to open up this, so I think he's already opened it. Have you lost all the bits?
No, they're both sunken down to the bottom. Okay, cool.
Pull the other end. That's it. Oh, you haven't really played with it yet. Oh, what's all that? You got fake poo there. Luna. What's the wrong way?
I want to don't touch the cocktail plate.
Alright, let's see. We'll try and set it up quickly.
These are brand new.
Orson, how do you get it on?
I know.
Am I red?
Yeah, step on the pail.
They're gotta be pushed down. I'm not sure.
That looks like it's on.
No, maybe there. Yes, it's on.
Alright, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Not enough steam.
What's that mine?
Does it do?
Losing your hair?
We need to go back. Oh, it lands it, but it can't.
Why do these rubbish sets never work?
No, I think we have to put these
No, that doesn't make a difference. Let's see if we can get it working.
Try orange track.
Oh, it's like faulty. I need to.
Yeah, let's see if it's a car on the track.
Try Orson's car on orange track.
Oh, it never work. Why not try mine? This is mine. Just because I put it here, Orson.
Give him a turn.
Alright.
Looks like your wheels are faulty. That one's bad.
Oh, that made it. That's why you need the edge. It makes it. See?
Try. Oh.
Bring them
Because
back.
the wheel was getting stuck here. See? See? There's no space around it. The plastic's warped.
Didn't make it up.
Oh, you need speed to do this. Here, can I try? Alright. Oh, wait. This is no big way. Fix the air.
Make sure the tracks are going.
No,
This one's not good.
he's doing too much speed. When that it hits a curve, the magnet. Ready.
There you go.
See, you
Working
don't go
better
too
there.
fast.
Go, Orson.
What? Change it. Mine.
Okay. We have to make it through. 3.
You go slow around the corner.
Yeah.
Fast around the loop. Just make sure the tracks are connected or you'll be thrown off.
Oh, that.
No, not yet.
1. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! No, that's. I like that. Ah! I like that. You don't go too fast around the edge. It's fun.
Hop up the track.
Let's see. I can go on that side too if you want. I'll try this side.
Well, let's see who can get the furthest. Who's going? Oh, I thought you were going to go backwards. That's not all.
Mine's too speed. Yeah, the yellow car more. The blue car more. Yeah. Oh, didn't make the air.
Oh, that comes out.
Yeah. Go, Shalay. Go. Whoa. Well, why he likes it cool? Go.
Snake, go have a turn.
Has anyone made it round yet?
Yeah, I have.
That's why you need the sides.
I almost made it around.
Oh, but you need the sides first. You need the sides.
Chandel does not.
Chalay, you try.
Okay, I'll try.
Oh, so sweet.
Get stuck. Have fun, guys. Alright. Dad's just going to take some screws back. Wrong size, so we're gonna... Hello! You're hot in the car. Want to have a quick look in the garden section? Alright, let's go. Go on, Azzy. That's a girl. Any super specials here?
No.
You had a good look? What happened? What's this?
Stinky fruit.
Custard apple.
Oh, I thought it might look like that.
Stinky fruit.
Yeah, it looks just like that when it's cut
I
open.
think that one's dead.
The
Tea
chair.
tree's not doing that good, eh? We got a plant house. Not really a big patch of fruit, is it? You take it back?
I think it's like I saw a blower there.
Yeah.
$77, it's just a $50, but
How many?
oh, it doesn't say on there.
What brand?
Forgotten about it.
Alright, let's get some snacks, guys.
Let's go.
What happened? Oh, you got no shoes on. Sorry, that can be long. My dog looks hot.
Daniel, what's the matter? Forgot your shoes?
Get 4 cheese rings. Get some snacks and water. We might go for a walk on the beach if we're passing that way. Oh. I think I need some nappies.
Remember that time baby got stuck with this?
Never mind. Did she say never mind?
Yes, she did, I think.
So remember the time the baby what?
Got stuck in there.
Got stuck in it.
How'd
How'd
she
she
wants
get
to drain, but
What are you excited over? Look,
She's still heavy.
look, Ezzy. I brought some icicles.
Yeah, I think.
Oh yeah, we're gonna return one ice maker's not working. Got a 1-year warranty, luckily.
This looks like
You can hand them out. No, Ivy.
Looks like Ivy's big. Look at her.
Since she's been outside, she's a lot more friendlier now.
I know.
Really enjoys it out there, you know.
This ice is gonna melt in 2 seconds.
We're gonna eat it fast.
Where's the fire? Yeah, here you go. You'll fix it. Good Dory. Breaking your arm. You hold that. I'll save you. Oh,
What's she got in her mouth? Nothing? There you go, you can put this in your mouth.
you want this one? Open that for the baby. You have that. Open it and cut it up.
Oh, these are the best.
I got another 2 packs, okay. Good? Oh, you're missing out, are you?
Just gonna spill this on a new cup.
No, it's light colour, so it won't be that bad.
Don't worry. Oh,
Not red.
here, let me open.
you get it off in the wash.
Yep. It's not lipstick like this morning.
Say thank you.
Alright, everyone grab a pack. Share it with somebody. Sharing with somebody.
Well, you don't want it.
She's saying something better, huh?
Thank you.
Does anyone want this or you want another salt and vinegar? What do you want? Salt and vinegar? I got more in here. There's more cheeses there. Alright, let's go for a walk at the beach. Come on. close the door, please?
Please, and I want CHELECE.
Should have brought your surfboards, guys. Where's Azzy? You want to walk, baby? Are you happy with that?
You want to walk? Or you want up? Which one? No one is to feed the birds. No one. Chantel.
Oh, we'll just get Dad to feed the birds.
They'll come and
We'll get you to feed the birds.
Who, the birds?
They'll attack you for it.
Look, I see something.
Beware, Azzy.
start gathering.
Austin, don't feed them.
Brenda, no, it'll attack you.
No, Chandelle. They won't leave you alone once you start. Look, it's going to chase you now. Look, it's chasing you.
Look at already started. Look, here.
Who's got chips for Azzy? Which one does she want?
Another?
Look, they already started.
Take your shoes off and leave them over there, guys. Leave them all together, otherwise we won't be able to find them. No, we have to drop in a Timezone because they got double dollars and we got a $300 gift card to cash in. So we'll get $600.
That's alright, look, that bird will get it.
Serious one berry.
Baby, you want to eat? Let's go. Let's start it.
Go where? Look at him.
Wipe her hands on her top. Wipe Azzy's hands, give her another chip.
See the camera?
Baby, here. Eat it.
Go away from me, guys. Keep it to yourself. Look at that. Look at that. He's trying to.
CHELECE, watch your back! You have to close it like this or they'll sneak up behind you and get the whole packet.
Go, baby, go. You're the friendliest. Orange the chicken. Again.
Just suck it. Just suck it. That's good. What's a baby?
Did you feed it?
Does that mean they're all gonna poo? They are all gonna start poop.
That's like CHELECE! They're all over you!
Alright, do you want to dip your feet in the beach before we go? In the water? In the beach. In the water. Yes, no? Take your pick. No throwing sand. Razzie, no. Watch out, she's got sand. Nope. No. No. No, don't leave it for the birds. Azzy, no. Chandelle just threw sand at her, so now she's throwing sand back. What did you take to that for?
Oh, the birds.
Yeah.
Dog chase.
Come in the water. Come in the water. Not too deep. Let's get going, guys. CHELECE. I don't want Chandelle to get wet. We have to go to time for it.
It's gonna get wet. It's hanging on the end.
Let's go, guys. I don't want Chandelle to get wet. What'd you see?
A crab, and then it was, and then we went a little deeper and we saw a big flat head. don't want to get sand.
We should do some surf beach fishing. Go and wash your feet off, guys. We're about to dead for a minute.
Yeah, let Shayla wash her feet first.
No, then
Or I like going.
Did you finish the chip?
No.
This one's good.
I did.
I just bin it because it's probably full of sand.
In it?
Yep.
Now, Dad.
I'm full of sand.
Seagulls.
Sure it's got sand on it?
Yes, it's got sand in it.
Got your gumboots on, baby? Alright, let's go and credit up our time zone. $double. Might have a few games while we're there, hey? Can't help ourselves. Gotta play to win.
Baby fell asleep. She liked it at the beach.
Look who's up, baby. What do you want your shoes for? You're gonna walk. Hello. Give me my wallet.
it out.
You wanted it too. Only got one today. I need a tomato box. What are the mangoes like? How much today? No, you too. Can you hop out of there for me? Thank you. Come on, you want plums? What do you want? Apricots, plums. Are any of these firm? Oh, that's not too bad. This one's firm. Oh, pick a nice one. You want plums? No, pick. I think there's a couple nice ones. Just pick 3 from up there. CHENA, you want apricots? You want apricots? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, tie that one up. Good girl. This one looks good. Grab that one for me, please. Australia Day. You know what? There's no ice cream at Aldi either. We need something to eat for tonight. We'll find something. Yeah, won't be able to find a cake.
Well, Costco would have the turkey, yeah, but everyone would be riding on Costco.
Look how humid it is. All the paper towel on the bottom of the fridges.
Yeah, it's melting away. How do you look good?
I know, it's hard to see, isn't it?
Especially with the digital thing. Yeah, squidgy it there.
No, let's find something to eat. Start with some cheese. We just have to have some crackers, I guess. That's our favourite, yep. Okay.
That's nice.
Where are their meats?
Asrial, what are you eating?
Baby.
That is the cutest expression. Shadow, let's see your cute expression. Oh, that's cute.
Okay, let's wait there. Okay.
Okay, we're just serving up some
Put this on the table.
food. We're serving up food. And Scooby, what are you doing? You're getting excited for the food?
Okay.
Stay in your spot. In your spot. No, 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 no. Okay, so just serving up some food, baby.
Falling out.
No, I didn't fall on him. He's waiting to get that meat. Come on. Come on. Okay. Baby, yummy! Mmm! What's the matter? Why are you upset? We got some tomato.
You know he'll drag that whole thing.
Okay. Come, Scooby. Put him on the back.
You can't eat that, you'll be as thirsty as.
Oh. No, come on. Scooby, leave it. Come.
Oh. Eat up, what have I forgotten?
I like these.
Yeah? I couldn't find the ham. Had to get the dog food one instead. You eating? No? What are you eating? Steak. Let's pick that up for CHENA.
What? Look at it. Whoa!
Oh, that is such a nice color.
Oh, and it's got this. No, look, and you know what's so
Chandelle likes it.
not your shit. See how Orison can't zip is like that. This only zips toward here, so it's easier. Oh, that's good. Oh,
And the color.
yeah, and the color. It's not a plain black one.
Faded, but it still good.
Really
It's
good.
supposed to be that color.
Nice flower design.
And to make it more colorful.
That's really good.